Guys, so we need to talk about this hyaluronic acid again. Let me go back to my Amazon. I just want to see how long or when did I buy this. Okay, so I bought this in April. So now it's in May, June, July, August. So about 4 months now since I've been using it. I bought this tube. This is like a huge tube, guys. I bought this tube because of, honestly, the reviews. The reviews like are amazing. It was talking about how it kind of plumps your face. Any like I also think of it like something you'd put on before putting your makeup. Like just to help smooth out your face and any pores. It shrinks your pores like no one's business. A lot of people love it just because of wrinkles. It'll smooth out any wrinkles, also the hydration. This is basically the strongest amount of hyaluronic acid that you can get. I can't pronounce the name. Everything's in French. When you get it, you're gonna get like 100 grams of it on Amazon. I paid about $26 plus shipping for mine. They have it on there for like $29, $30. So anywhere from there. Obviously this tube is going to last a very long time. I'm sharing it with you guys because I found that not only is it great, sometimes I'll use it as like an eye cream during the day. And then at night is when I put it all over my face, almost like a sleep pack. It definitely helps to pull anything out of my pores. The only thing is when you're using this, especially if you guys are going to use this for your body, if you're making your own skin lightening topicals, or maybe just a moisturizing topical to put on after you use your skin lightening topicals, add this on your skin when your skin is still damp. You want a little bit of water on your skin. If you're adding this on dry skin, whether it be your face or your body, it can actually, like, hyaluronic acid will pull out moisture. What you want to do is seal in the moisture. So keep that in mind. A lot of people for their face, I just use water. Like after I wash my face, I put this on when my face is still damp and let it air dry. It takes like maybe 2 minutes to air dry. After that, some people do rose water. They'll spray it all over their face and then they'll apply this. You can do whatever you want. I started using this on my body and it works miracles. If you guys have any type of acne bumps at all, like any type of bumps on your body, you can literally spot treatment with this. It will pull it out. I would just do it 2 times a day. You can put it on your chest, like anywhere. You could use it full body. There are people who use this all over their body, but again, just make sure that your body's already a little damp after the shower, and then put this on and then layer with whatever you want to layer, any moisturizer or something. But this is really good for smoothing out. And honestly, I didn't know hyaluronic acid like did this, but definitely on a couple of the areas where I have like pimples or something, I feel like it makes it like almost like a blurred effect like you would with a filter. Like it will kind of like blur out and make things lighten quicker. It's really weird, but I like it. I like it. Some things that would take weeks to heal, within days of applying this twice a day, it's already like 50% gone. Like, this stuff is great. I will continue buying it. I will continue using it. If you have really oily skin, the only thing is that it will kind of keep the oil there. So that's why I don't use it all over my face during the day, because if you have really oily times, like it can kind of just like lock in the oil. So that's why at night I'll use it, but it's really up to you. I've had other people say that it actually reduces their oil production. So if you buy this, just kind of play around with it. You might only be able to put it all over your face at night, or you might be one of those people who can put it on and wear it during the day. But during the day when I wear it as an eye cream, and it works great. And then at night is when I put it all over, and then I back it up with my tretinoin cream. I think, as you can see, we're getting really low. I think I've had this for, I want to say over 10 months now, close to a year. I'll have to look and see, because I had to get like an online prescription for this tretinoin, but this is the 0.05%. But yeah, I put this on after this and it's amazing. Tretinoin is great. It's going to make your face peel just a little bit, which is just going to bring in new skin cells and definitely help if you have any type of acne scarring. But to be honest, this itself, any type of zit, pimple, it will help bring it to a head. And even if you were just to use this without the tretinoin, it will kind of help to blur out any type of discoloration or scarring that you might have. So Together, obviously they are like a super team, but if just using this by itself, it works really well. And of course, it's also very moisturizing because it's hyaluronic acid. But like I said, this is one of the strongest hyaluronic acids that you can get. So if you do not use it properly, it can actually do the exact opposite, pull out any moisture and actually work against you. Anytime we use any type of acid or product in its purest form, whether it be lactic acid or salicylic acid, while small amounts of it can do wonders for your skin, large amounts of it undiluted can actually mess up your skin. So not that this would mess up your skin, but some people who had like drying, they weren't using it properly.